In this video, I will help you find the best Bluetooth headphones for iPad in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have AirPods Pro, best for great sound. When it comes to enjoying exceptional sound quality on your iPad, the AirPods Pro stand out as the top choice for an immersive audio experience. Designed specifically for Apple devices, these earbuds offer outstanding sound quality, active noise cancellation, and transparency modes. The integration of Apple's H1 chip ensures seamless pairing, easy device switching, and minimal audio latency. The AirPods Pro also come with a wireless charging case and provide 3 sizes of ear tips for a customized fit. What sets the AirPods Pro apart is their ability to deliver impressive sound in a compact and user-friendly package. The active noise cancellation feature works remarkably well, creating a cocoon of sound that allows you to fully immerse yourself in your music or other audio content. The transparency mode is a handy addition that lets you stay aware of your surroundings without removing the earbuds. Overall, the AirPods Pro offer a premium audio experience that's hard to beat when paired with your iPad. At number 4, we have JLab Neon folding on-ear headphones, best for budget sound. The AirPods Pro offer exceptional sound quality on the iPad, and for those looking for a budget-friendly option, the JLab Neon folding on-ear headphones stand out as a great choice. I've found that these headphones deliver impressive sound for their price point, making them perfect for everyday use with your iPad. The JLab Neon headphones come with an inline microphone, enabling clear phone calls and voice commands. I appreciate the convenience of the button controls located on the headset, allowing me to adjust volume or skip tracks with ease. Moreover, the option of a Bluetooth version provides flexibility for wireless listening, which is a great feature if you prefer to move around without being tethered by cables. The folding design of these headphones also makes them easy to carry around in a bag or pocket, ideal for on-the-go use. Overall, the JLab Neon folding on-ear headphones offer a solid sound experience at an affordable price, making them a top choice for budget-conscious iPad users. At number 3, we have Belkin headphones, best for Lightning connection. For those seeking headphones with a Lightning connection for their iPad, Belkin offers a reliable and affordable option. These headphones provide a seamless connection to your regular iPad or iPad mini, ensuring a hassle-free listening experience. The Belkin headphones come with a tangle-free cord, making them convenient to use without worrying about knots and tangles. Additionally, they feature an inline microphone for clear calls and 3 sizes of ear tips to cater to individual preferences for a comfortable fit. With Belkin headphones, you can enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, or videos without the need to constantly recharge, as they're wired and don't require battery power. This makes them a practical choice for those who prefer a simple and straightforward headphone setup. Overall, Belkin Lightning headphones offer a great balance of quality, affordability, and functionality, making them a solid choice for iPad users looking for a dependable audio solution. At number 2, we have Moshi Mythro headphones, best for USB-C connection. Opting for the Moshi Mythro headphones equips iPad Pro or iPad Air 4 users with a USB-C connection for an immersive audio experience that combines high-resolution sound and convenient inline controls. These headphones offer a Class G amplifier that delivers crisp and clear audio, perfect for enjoying music, podcasts, or movies on your iPad. The inline microphone ensures that your voice comes through loud and clear during calls, making these headphones versatile for both entertainment and communication. The Moshi Mythro headphones also come with a choice of ear tip sizes to provide a comfortable and secure fit for extended listening sessions. The USB-C connection ensures a stable and reliable link to your iPad, eliminating the need for adapters or dongles. Whether you're relaxing at home or on the go, these headphones offer a stylish design and premium sound quality that enhances your overall audio experience with your iPad. At number 1, we have AirPods Max, best for Max iPad sound. When considering the ultimate audio experience for your iPad, look no further than the AirPods Max. These over-ear Bluetooth headphones offer unparalleled sound quality, thanks to Apple's custom design driver. With features like active noise cancellation and transparency modes, the AirPods Max immerse you in your favorite music, movies, and more. The choice of 5 colors allows you to personalize your style, while support for spatial audio delivers a truly immersive listening experience. One standout feature of the AirPods Max is their ability to seamlessly integrate with Apple devices, ensuring easy connectivity and control. While they come at a higher price point compared to other options, the exceptional sound quality and advanced features make them worth the investment for audiophiles and Apple enthusiasts alike. If you prioritize top-notch sound performance and cutting-edge technology for your iPad, the AirPods Max are the perfect choice to elevate your audio experience to the max.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.